Good morning, this is Jackie coming at you from the Stitchin Post with another project using Valori's Enchanted fabric. Today I'm doing boxes. Well, actually I've done the boxes. They're all covered. They're very cute. We got okay, these are tight, which is good for a box. If I can get the top off. Okay, top and bottom of the box. Okay, I got 3 different sizes here and then a big one. And I had actually done this one a while ago. This is pretty cool. This box is it's sturdy. It's a box that you put photographs in, and a friend was getting rid of them, so I recycled them and covered them. All of these boxes are ones that we had here in the store from product, and instead of tossing them out, we're covering them and they make awesome little gifts. I had a video that I put up a few months ago, actually December 2nd. It was a while ago. It's posted on YouTube, so you can go and watch that and get all the instructions on how to make these boxes, and that's on our Stitchin Post page. You do need heat bond light is what I use. I like the heat and bond. It's not a fusible web. It's like it has a rubbery texture to it. But when I work with fabric to paper, I really like the way that it adheres things. You can also sew through it. But that is how I did the boxes. So all you need to do is go watch the video. You get the instructions. It's all free. And find some old boxes to cover. So that's this week's project of Enchanted.